What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to watch another video. Today we'll be changing the thermostat housing on the E46.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
So I already did the work on the car the other day, but I'm just shooting the beginning of it. So I will look different in the video. So don't even worry about that. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the ideal way to remove the fan clutch. You will need these tools here, which is your 32 millimeter and your holder for the water pump pulley. So what you're gonna do is, and it helps with having the hose removed, but I'm just gonna do it as it is right now. So these two right here, the ones that are wider apart, you'll take this side and put it one here and one on the other one, so it sits just like that. And then you'll take your 32 millimeter, put it on the nut, and push towards the driver's side to loosen it. It's left hand tread, so it's going to be right to loosen and left to tighten. Alright, so for removing this, you're gonna need to pull the 13 here, and there's gonna be 110, 210, 310s here, and then also right here there's gonna be this 110 millimeter that you're gonna have to pull. Alright, so the surface is all cleaned up now, so go ahead and I don't think I'm gonna use any grease. I don't need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it now. Alright, so we got the fan clutch back in, which is obviously a pain to put in. Going that way to loosen it, this way to tighten it. We got our connections back on. Ear box is back in. This other piece just sits right in here. Bam. And then I need to get some clips for it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and start the car up, and hopefully it doesn't leak. So started up the car, looked over it, everything, had it warm up and everything, saw no leaks.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
So I guess we're good. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If this video was helpful in any sort of way to you, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I got 3 BMWs, so I guess I can show you guys something. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.